Welcome back to Waymaker. It's Jan from the future. Sorry, I kind of forgot about the footage from Reisbrennen, so here you go. Also, before we get into it, there's still time to send in your car to get featured in a future video. Send your car with some details and some pictures to this email address. So this is the first time Twingo's running in like almost a year, so let's see if it still drives. Battery was dead, but other than that, it still runs. Looks like it's in a grave. So barn find Twingo.
Ja, kannst noch. So sieht's gut.
So Jonas' son, he doesn't run, and this piece of shit still runs. Went to our neighbors to bring something back, tool, and the car still runs. It's the best car ever. Wish we could street drive something like this here because it fucking works. I mean, it's a little bit bumpy, but oh my god, it looks so bad. But it's a lot of fun. Yodi's first time driving.
Das ist sehr schlecht.
So Joris killed the car sideways in the road. So Sagst du so?
Ja.
We had to do a rain rescue mission.
Scheiß die Wand an, ne?
Good morning. We are on our way to fucking Reisbrennen. Me and Pinto.
What?
Yeah, we stopped inside some old town in a Teddy to get some swag. Super beautiful out here.
Wir haben den Flickpoint markiert.
Briefing.
Das ist nicht gemeint von rechts nach links an die Mauer.
We're watching a bit of the competition practice runs, I guess.
Tracks looks really scary actually for driving.
Yeah, the entry is quite fast. Probably the nicest drift car here. Yes. We are watching some drag runs from the big stands. Everything is huge here. So it's Friday night, we're at some light show area thingy.
Kind of like a 2000 build area, I guess.
Real neons on Mark's car. So sick. Makes me want to get some for my S14. Yeah, I guess I gotta start hunting. Saturday now we're at Drift Masters booth. It's been raining in the morning, but it's kind of drying up right now. I slept till now. Kind of tired still, but. Was sagst du zum Wetter?
Gar nicht mal so geil, muss ich ehrlich sagen.
Englisches Statement bitte.
Kannst kein Bootje mit der Verpackung in die Vergeuze schmeißen.
Bringt Zeug weg.
So just taking some shots of an analog camera. Looks pretty cool. Just stopped raining. Floor is all wet. Looks pretty sick. The big wind thingy. So it's Saturday evening now. It rained a lot. I only drifted in the morning, didn't drift in the evening and the afternoon, English. But we went to take some pictures. A lot of cool cars pulled up. I think we got some good pictures. I got interviewed by a Japanese magazine, which I'm pretty hyped about, so I kinda gotta find a way to get a Japanese magazine here. There's a lot of cool cars here, even like fitted Skyline. But then again, there's like so many JRs here. Yeah, so my summary of the event is there's like a lot of super sick cars here, but like a lot of goofy cars as well. These are some of my favorite cars here because we never usually see these. Those, them, whatever, they them car. Just a whole rotary gang. And like some fully built FCs, like aggressive engine setups. Pretty sick. Yopa, man, do away. Not a huge Mark IV guy, but this is pretty sick. Like, what the fuck is even that turbo? And also, I like the meaty tire drag setup. This on the Twingo. So we made it back to the border. This is pretty sick. Also Swiss car. Tow setup. So we got a care package from VS Hype. Thank you very much. We make pretty sick stickers with our style. Put one on the FC with the broken chain. One on my 14. With the barbed wire. And also on the mirrors. This is my favorite thing maybe. The little mirror. It's like engraved mirrors, but you don't have to fuck up your Ghana doors. So you can change it up if you want to. So if you also want something, check out VS Hype and use code SKETCHY. Use code SKETCHY 10 for 10% off.